In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an outer tie rod end on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a 22mm socket, remove all 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 24mm wrench, we're going to break the jam nut free. Using a 21mm wrench and a 10mm wrench, we're going to hold the stud while we remove the nut. Remove the nut. Pull the tie rod end out of the knuckle. We're going to spin our outer tie rod off our inner, and we're going to count the turns when we do this. So 1, 2, that's almost 24 turns. Install the outer tie rod, and remember to install it how many turns you took it off. Ours is going to be 24. Right there. Remove the nut off the outer tie rod. Remove the plastic cover. Install the tie rod into the knuckle. And just get the nut started for now. I'm going to snug the jam nut up to our outer tie rod. Using an 18mm wrench, I'm going to hold the inner tie rod while I use a 24mm wrench and I tighten the jam nut down. Torque the jam nut to 66 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Using a 22mm wrench, we're going to go around the nut. We're going to use a 10mm wrench to hold the stud, and we're going to snug our nut down. Get it nice and tight. Torque the outer tie rod nut to 40 foot-pounds, and then an additional 110 degrees. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug the lug nuts down. Torque the lug nuts to 130 foot-pounds in a star pattern. After completing this repair, you will need to bring your car to the local alignment shop for an alignment, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.